Hey Jane, I just wanted to wish you the very best of luck in your retirement and tell you what a pleasure it's been for me to get to know you as a colleague and just to witness you in action. Um, I have seen countless students walk into your office upset and come out with a smile on their face. One time, I had a student who was your advisee, and you were eating your lunch and you stopped everything to help this student who was really nervous and upset. Um, and I'm sure there are countless other stories. I've really appreciated your uplifting spirit, reading your inspirational tea bags on your door, and just having you a part of our humanities family. I wish you much success and happiness and all the best.